we're going to be doing the Kraken song on Hotel Transylvania 3. That will be actually amazing. So let's get into it. This I'm just going to be showing you though. My sister was going to beatbox, but she's a bit bad. So yeah, let's go. So I won't be teaching you, sadly, but this is just going to be my way of doing it. So that was my type of Kraken. I've got some chips on the side here where I can do the voice music where it does like a different tone. So let's try this. It's called flute. Let's do that. It sounds a bit more floatish, doesn't it? So let's play the whole song. Yeah, so that was me doing the Kraken song. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!